Anioma people that have been setting fire for the southeast to be collecting the bullet. It is not the southeastern Igbos that caused what they happen today. The Ekumeku started as of 1883 that lasted for 31 years that made the British government not to conquer the Igbo land. Imagine Igbo, Rieji Igbo, Zafa Igbo, Ewoji Igbo, Yuzu Ekenga Igbo, Jide Ofo, Obodo Ineji Ofo, Nazu Afia Igbo, Biasi Igbo onye Igbo. Any the Kafia Itarinike. One of the best things that would have happened in Nigeria if we are not born in this generation is to wake up in the morning and we hear that Anioma State is created behind our back. I can tell you that Anioma State creation is the best news that will come to the ear of everybody in Nigeria, because this state agitation is more than 51 years old. Oh, more than 71 years old.
I think in 1951.
Yes, 1951. Yes. So before Nigeria independence, there have been an agitation for we today call the Anioma people to secede from the then western region of Nigeria and join our eastern brother. Because based on historical fact and evidence, we have the same culture, similar language, not similar language, the same language, dialectical language.
Yes, a different dialect.
Yes, culture, tradition, and everything are the same. So, if Anioma State come today, we have fulfilled long-standing agitation of 71 years old. We have been able to achieve what our forefathers started with. And I tell you that it's going to be the best news ever to be heard in Igbo worldwide. Everybody will be glad. And I know say our spirit father, the ancestors, they happy.
Okay, Deputy Jesus, I want to ask you this question very directly. It may form the basis of our discussion today. Ceding Anioma State to the southeast, how do you feel about it?
100% confident and comfortable. I don't know whether I do the coinage well. Confident and comfortable.
Double C now.
You see, thank you that you asked me this question. It is just a nomenclature. It has not changed anything. Council Ube, you want to go to Anioma Bu Ofu at the other side of the river.
Okay.
It's just a name for political reason.
Okay.
I think if people understand this, it start making sense. There is no way they will take this land to the other side of the river. But there's a tag name politically for development, for project, for infrastructural development. There's a 6 geopolitical zone that Nigeria has today.
Okay.
And that 6 political zone has different number of states. The southeast has only 5. So there's a need to balance the equation. Remember that we were first called Western Region.
Western Igbos. Okay, Western regions. Okay.
And later this same land was turned to Midwestern Region. So why do you think that if they change it to Eastern Region, that something has changed again? Asaba still remain Asaba.
Yeah.
Obana still remain Obanam. Abo still remain Abo. The distance from here to Lagos never changed even before independence. But the speed of covering it has changed because of the speed of the car and movement these days. So it's not like they're going to change it. I'm comfortable with it because, like I said initially, it will bring us back to our kids and kings. What our forefathers have been fighting. In fact, we are saying it is 71 years when we wanted to join them politically. But joining Anioma State has been there since 1883. When our forefathers refused that the colonial master will conquer us. The Ekumeku.
Okay.
The Ekumeku started as of 1883 that lasted for 31 years that made the British government not to conquer the Igbo land. So, if we are saying that we are not Igbo, why did our forefathers, 200 years plus, stood their ground, become the boundary that they could not break by the British government for 31 years? It took 4 days to break down the Benin Kingdom. But it took them 31 years to conquer the whole Anioma warriors.
Benin don't resist 3 bullets. Why? I had 3 weeks.
No, it's not for 3 weeks.
Not reach a week, sir.
It not reach a week. There's when you conquer people before you take over the whole places. Yeah, you probably because if you read the history, it's not up to. But we're saying it took our people 31 years, the British to conquer us for 31 years, from 1883 to 1914. It was even at conquering us that they amalgamate the southern Nigeria and the northern Nigeria to become one nation. It was our people that withstand it not to happen. And it is because of that single action that the British government swore that Igbos will not unite.
Yeah.
It is not the southeastern Igbos that caused what they happen today.
Definitely. From Kaduna was all good to, they were all...
It is we, the Anioma people, that have been setting fire for the southeast to be collecting the bullet. We have to tell ourselves the truth. So how can you say that we are not Igbos? So I'm going to be comfortable. I'm going to be confident. I'm going to walk majestically. Mbulu nwa afọ Igbo na-atọ ọjị Igbo. Na-ata abacha ndị ugwu ndị Enugu. Ndakwa ụlọ ndị ofe nsala ndị Anioma.
Okay, thank you very much, my brother Chukwemeka.